Kids, now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we're coloring the shape of hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, and the last one is star. First we draw the shape of hexagon. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the shape of hexagon. The next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we draw the shape of circle. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. Kids, now we draw the shape of pentagon. And the next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is heart, the shape of heart. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is star. Now we're using black color. So kids, now we're coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first we're coloring the shape of hexagon, and now we're using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle. Kids, now we are using the color of green and coloring the shape of circle. Now we're mixing and using green color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of circle. The next one is pentagon. Now we're using the color of blue. Kids, now we're using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Kids, now we're using the color of red, the shape of triangle. The next one is heart, the shape of heart. Now we're using the color of green. The last one is star, the shape of star. Now we're using black color. Kids, now we're using and mixing the color of black. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, first we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. Now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. The next one is triangle. Now we're using yellow color and coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we're using the color of red. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of circle and using red color. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using red color. Now we're coloring the shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.